Hello, my name is Komamashu and this is the second video for the RSA implementation assignment for mathematics for my course in DKIT. Now I'm going to be talking about the limitation. Some of the limitation that I had in my program was the prime number slash the public key and private key were smaller than the message being encrypted, which can cause some error before I was able to fix that by making the key a bit bigger. Also, depending on the length of the string or byte, it will decrypt the right message unless the message is paragraph long. Then you need to manually go to the prime number class and change the bit length to a bigger number. I turned the bit length to 2000, and that should work for a reasonably big enough string. Another thing, the limitation to it was if I was beforehand I was using integer rather than big integer in my project, which had a limited byte range, and also could not do some of the function with big integer can. I obviously fixed that up, as you can see here with moving the big thing. Okay, the problem that I had beforehand, if I were to, before I added in the check if it's true to decode it, if I were to start the program and go straight to decrypt, it did not encrypt, and we did not use the encrypt yet, so the program would crash. I obviously fixed it by doing the boolean value check and make sure that if it's true, then you are able to encode, and if they make a new method, it'll go back to false until they encode it again. A problem that I had in the prime number again was the fact that instead of using this before, I was using a function or algorithm that was making the same two prime numbers, but like differently. So if we were to start the program before, like when I had it, prime number 1 would have been like 17 and prime number 2 would have been 12, and if I rerun it again, the prime number 1 would have been 12 and prime number 17 2 would have been 17, and then it would randomize with those two numbers. I later fixed that using the bit length, secure randomize, and the certainty, also using this algorithm here. Another thing, well, I don't know if it's a problem or not, the public key and private key are a bit big, so I'm not sure if that's a problem or if it's not. A problem that I was having also beforehand, before I did the bit length, was decoding an encrypted message. Due to the length of the message, the message I was using for decrypting was not working, and if as I said, like I was using this here, and if it was like a minus number, then it would come out the wrong message number. Okay, so that's all the problem and limitation I had. Now we'll move on to actually running the thing. So we're going to first off test to see that it run perfectly. So we'll just exit that, and you can see it run perfectly. And test number 2, we're going to look at the to see the message. The message we have here is hello there friend. So we did it, hello there friend, and then let us check the keys. So you can see the keys are a bit big, and now we shall move on to encrypting. So this should encrypt the message into a weird language. As you can see here, it's encrypted to a different language, which we have here. So as you can see, it came back number and then encrypted back to a string value. Decrypting, and it should come back to hello there friend, as you can see here. And there you go, it goes to cipher decrypt. So here does the same thing as encrypting, and then turn it back. So that's decrypt and encrypting. So I'm just going to exit that, and we're going to try now to decrypt before encrypting. As I said, it should go to here and say sorry you did not encrypt. If not, then I probably made a mistake somewhere. So we go 5 for decrypting. Sorry you did not encrypt. So it came out perfectly. Now we're going to change the thing. So 3. Please enter a new message. We're going to go. I'll just move this down a bit because you can't really see it. So now we're going to go new message. We shall say math is cool. Now we go to check it. 1, math is cool. Encrypt it, and we get a big old odd string. 5, math is cool. And then exit, and that is pretty much my program. I hope you enjoy. I did explain the code in RSA part 1, and thank you for watching.